everyone, this is Falguni Zaveri from Karma Healing. Today I am here to bring you the reading from 11th of October till the 17th of October. 11th of October, that is Monday, and 17th of October, that is Sunday. Right now Navratri is going on. Wishing you everyone a very happy Navratri, and Dashera is going to be Friday. So very happy Dashera in advance to you all. Also, please go ahead and do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like I always say, it will be a great help to me. So let's start our reading from the first sign, and that is the sign Aries. So I'm going to pull 3 cards for people born under the sign Aries, and this reading is for the week of 11th till the 17th of October. The people born under the sign of Aries, this week is going to be, you can say, a normal and a good week, on the better side, of course. I do see a progress coming your way. I do see, let's take relationship first. If I see your relationship, I see a positivity in your relationship. There is no negativity. In fact, there is a growth in your relationship. So if you're waiting for some answer, or if you are alone, or you can say single, there are chances you might meet someone this week. Also, you just have to be little careful about your thoughts. Where your health is concerned, your thoughts might give you some kind of problem, some kind of tension. So just be relaxed and just be free of any negative thoughts coming to you. There is a progress where your career is concerned. I do see a progress. I see a positive news coming your way this week. Of course, this week has a lot of festivals like Navratri and also Dashera coming. So there is a enjoy moment. There is a fun moment coming this week for you. There is no negativity. I don't see any negativity coming your way this week. So in general, Aries cards are good. Positivity in your career, positivity in your relationship. Health issue is just a little bit of stress or thoughts that is going on in your mind, so that might trouble you in some way. Finance, yes, definitely I see finance coming your way, money coming your way. So from somewhere, where you must have invested, or somewhere where you are expecting someone to give you, maybe you must have given a loan, or you must have given it to some person. So this week is where you might get that money back. So let's go ahead and do Taurus now. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Taurus. For the people born under the sign Taurus, this week is going to be like a magic for you. It's a very good week. You are going to, if I talk to you about definitely new relationship coming your way. You might meet your family. You might get together with your family or friends, and it's a kind of a get together thing happening for you this week. A happy moment, nothing to worry about. And where your work is concerned, it is going to, basically, if I say for Taurians, this week is going to be like a magic, so whatever they think of doing or whatever they are expecting, this is a week that will give them that. So career also, definitely a forward moment is coming your way. Relationship, definitely a very positive week. You are going to meet a lot of good people, your family, and there is going to be fun and enjoyment this week coming to you. But just be a little bit careful where your stress is concerned, your worries are concerned. Basically, you are going to feel like too much tension, too much burden kind of a week this week. Though everything is going to come your way positively, there is still going to be some kind of stress that you'll be taking this week. So just don't take that stress and think of the positive side. Think about what have you achieved this week. There is this, because this is the week where you are going to achieve a lot of good things, something that you might not have expected. So just think positive and go ahead. Finance definitely coming your way. Relationship is good. Your career has a growth. So just need to take care of your thoughts, your stress. Keep it in the lower side and you shall be fine. Now we'll go ahead and do Gemini. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Gemini. People born under the sign of Gemini, if I start with the career, definitely there is a career moment, but this will be a sudden change. This will be something that you never have expected might come to you this week, something that you might have to just, there might be a situation where your career is also concerned, that you might have to leave whatever you're doing and start a new journey, or start maybe a new house or new work or new, so everything basically, whatever is going to come to you this week might be a shock, because it is going to be a very sudden moment, a sudden change coming your way. Definitely money is on your way, finance is growing, finance is going to come to you this week, so you don't have to worry where the finances is concerned. Somewhere where unexpected income or unexpected money you will see coming this week. But yes, definitely a major change, maybe a sudden change might happen where your career is concerned, where your relationship is concerned. So take care. It is not that it is a negative thing that will happen, but yes, you have to be very, very careful, because this will be kind of shock to you that is going to come to you this week. Finances looks fine, health looks fine. Health also issues might propped up somewhere where unexpectedly it will come, kind of a thing. So it's like a sudden thing coming to you, maybe where your career is concerned, your relationship is concerned, or your health is concerned. So keep your eyes and ears open and just make the right decision this week. Now we'll go ahead and do Cancer. So I'll do 3 cards for Cancer. Quick 3 cards for Cancer. For the people born under the sign Cancer, this week is going to be a little bit where your moods are concerned, where your thinking is concerned. It's going to be more on the emotional side. It is going to be something where you are going to think too much. You are going to be a little bit sad, maybe because you are not surrounded by the people you want this week. You miss the people around you. You miss the friends around you. So this is the week where you are going to be little low on your emotions. In fact, so low that if someone is coming to even make you feel better, or someone is coming you to be friends with you, you can say there are some issues with your emotions, that you are not ready to welcome the friendship or welcome the relationship. So that kind of week is there, where you want to be left alone somewhere. So a lot of moon energy this week, so it is totally your emotions that are going to rule this week for Cancer people. Where your work is concerned, yes, work remains normal, finance remains normal, relationship is also normal, but yes, definitely all these aspects in your life is going to be affected by your emotions somewhere. So control your emotions, try to go out, stay happy, and this week shall pass. Now we'll go ahead and do Leo. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Leo. Let's do 3 cards for people born under the sign Leo. Whoa. So let's go ahead and do like a lot of cards for Leo people falling, but we have to pick up 3 cards, so I'm going to go ahead and pick up 3 cards. So let's a lot of things in store for I think Leo people. Let's see what the 3 cards say about them. For the Leo people, I see traveling coming your way, traveling related to your relations, traveling related to meeting new people. Consider it maybe building new relationship, or if you're in a work, or if you're in some kind of career where traveling is very, very much necessary. There is a traveling happening this week for you, where you will go ahead for new projects or new you can say new work. Also, there are chances that you might travel because to meet a new maybe meet your loved ones, or maybe meet your family. So traveling definitely I see this week coming for Leo people. There are a lot of opportunities also coming for Leo people, where your work is concerned, where your career is concerned. It's up to you how you want to take it and make your own decisions. So there will be opportunities coming to Leo people this week where your career or work is concerned. So try to see what works out for you and go for it. Also, mood swings, a little bit of moon energy I see here in Leo people too. So there are chances, there are mood swings that can go up and down. So you might remain a little bit of moody kind of person. People may say you're quite moody this week. So if you see where your career is concerned, definitely a forward movement. I saw a lot of things coming your way, a lot of opportunities coming your way this week. So there are chances you might get what you're looking for. Relationship, definitely a fun time for relationship, because you're going to travel and meet them, meet new people. So it's going to be a good thing for you. Finance is normal, it is not good nor bad, so it's going to be the same. Also where your moods are concerned, health is concerned, just be very careful about your moods. Your mood swings might give you some kind of depression or stress, or just be very careful about that. So that's it for Leo people. Now we'll go ahead and do Virgo. So 3 cards for Virgo people. People born under the sign Virgo, this week is going to be good for them. For the career, I do see a growth. Definitely, there will be a little bit of growth that will be showing. But one thing that you have to be very, very careful where your career is concerned, or where trusting people is concerned this week, is you have to keep your eyes and ears open, because you will be surrounded by people who don't like you, or maybe who are negative towards you. So you just have to keep your eyes and ears open and see around before taking the final step. So just be very, very careful that you see, understand the situation, and then make a decision. So if you see the finance this week, definitely finance is growing. The relationship is also growing. I see the new relationship coming your way, or if you're expecting an answer for someone, there is a chance that you will get that answer this week. Your finance looks fine. Where your health is concerned, yes, you have to be very, very careful where your thoughts are concerned, where your stress is concerned, where you're taking a lot of stress. So there are chances of depression, or there are chances of having related disease like high pressure, low pressure kind of a thing, sinus, migraine. So just be very careful about those things. So that's it for Virgo. So now let's pull 3 cards for people born under the sign Libra. So let's go ahead and pull 3 cards for the people born under the sign Libra. For people born under the sign Libra, this week is going to be a very good week for you, you can say, because it is going to work something. I see growth in every aspect of your life coming this week. There are chances that you will see growth in your career. You will have some kind of positive thing that is coming to you where your career is concerned, maybe a positive news, or maybe a positive maybe a one step ahead kind of a thing coming to you this week. There is a weight though still showing for the growth, the investment that you must have done, where your finance is concerned, where your money you have kept. This is not a week that you can expect the interest or something coming to you this week where your money is concerned. So there is still a weight showing. So just wait for this week, and I think the better times will come. Also, there are chances that there is a lot of help coming your way. So if you need any help, or if you need any you can say guidance from someone, this is the week where you will get guidance from some, maybe your boss, or maybe some old person, uncle, who will be coming into your life, or maybe coming to you, or contacting you this week, where maybe working together is concerned, or maybe you can call them and take a guidance. So this week is very good for that. So where your finance is concerned, this is not a week where you will get a positive result where your finance is concerned. I mean to say, where you have kept your money maybe for the interest or something. This is not a week that is the interest is going to come to you. Health looks fine, but I would still suggest you be very, very careful from negative people surrounding you, because I do see a sign that this week there might be people around you who are negative, definitely, but you will be protected. I do see a growth in your career coming this week. Where your relationship is concerned, you are going to build a relationship with an older person, maybe an older generation kind of a thing, who is going to be very, very helpful to you. who is going to be very, very helpful in guiding you this week. So relationship looks normal. There is a growth in your career showing, but be very, very careful about the negative people. Guidance from the older person is going to come to you, or you will get guidance from the old person, maybe a boss, older boss, or old person in your family. So that is a good sign. So this week is positive. Now we'll go ahead and do Scorpio. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Scorpio. For the people born under the sign Scorpio, this week is going to be little stressful for you, because somewhere in your relation I see some setback coming your way, some things that needs to be taken care of this week. So it is going to bother you a little bit this week where your relationship are concerned. There are chances that you might break into your old relationship and start totally new relationship. This it can be in your career as well as in your relationship, or where your health is concerned. So there are chances there is a total cut or total stop to whatever you are doing, or stopping the relationship, cutting your relationship. You will totally build a new relationship, build a new career. Where your health are concerned, you have to be very, very careful. Do not take any problems coming your way lightly. Just go ahead and get yourself checked to the doctor, because it is going to be a problem later on. So if you see growth, definitely I see in your career, growth is there in your career. I'm not saying there is no growth. There is definitely growth coming, but something that you will start new, totally cut off from the old and start new. So this week is something to start new, totally new, but you have to be very, very careful about your health. Don't let your health affect you negatively. So that's for Scorpio. Now we'll go ahead and do 3 cards for Sagittarius. So let's do 3 cards for Sagittarius. Three cards for Sagittarius. People born on the sign Sagittarius, this week is going to be good for you. I do see a growth, a fast growth coming to you this week. Means whatever the moment is where your career is concerned, I see a very fast moment. So sometimes it's like today it's something else, tomorrow it's totally different. In a positive way, it's coming your way. Relationship, growth in a relationship, new relationship coming your way. You will make new friends. There are chances that people who is not in touch with you for so long will call you or maybe remember you, and there will be again the friendship with them, or you can say they will call and again you're going to talk and you're going to be friends again. So relationship wise also it's good. Where your career is concerned, a very positive forward moment coming your way. Finance is also good. Finance will also give you a lot of joy this week, but you'll have a lot of dreams that can disturb you this week. So just don't get stressed too much. Don't get worried about your dreams. Just let it go and your health should be fine. So that's it for Sagittarius. Now we'll go ahead and do Capricorn. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Capricorn. People born under the sign of Capricorn, definitely this week is for money. So you are going to get some good news where your money is concerned. So money will come to your way this week from somewhere, wherever you are expecting it to come, or you can say sudden coming of money will come to you, kind of a thing. Also there is a travel where your relationship is concerned. So definitely you are going to travel to meet your sweetheart, or maybe meet your family whom you are close to, and it is going to give you a lot of joy and excitement. Of course, definitely career is on the growth, because I see money coming through career. So there is definitely a growth coming where your career is concerned. Maybe you might get a little bit of some news from somewhere that there is a promotion coming your way, or there is some kind of forward movement where your work is concerned. Where your health is concerned, I don't see any issues coming. This is a joyful week for you. So you are going to enjoy this week, meeting new people, new relationship, and definitely a growth in your career. Let's go ahead and do Aquarius now. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Aquarius. people born under the sign of Aquarius, this week is going to be total positive for you. You are going to be moving ahead with a lot of energy and a lot of positivity this week. You are going to feel very, very energetic this week. There is a sun energy that has come in this week's card, so there is a lot of positivity and a lot of growth coming to you. This week you are going to be shining like a sun. You can say that this week is going to be very bright, very active, and very positive for you guys. Definitely there is a travel that has seen this week, traveling to meet new people, maybe your old family members, or somewhere there you're going to travel to meet your loved ones. So definitely there is a very positive week for people born on the sign Aquarius. Just you have to be very careful about your thoughts. Your thoughts might bring a little bit of negativity, or maybe you can say a negative thinking in your mind, but just let go of the thoughts and you are going to be fine. This week is definitely a forward moment for you. Things that you like are going to happen this week. You're going to remain very, very positive. So where your finance is concerned, definitely finances on increase this week. Your career is also on a move, so you are very happy with whatever you're doing definitely this week. And where your relationship are concerned, yes, you are going to meet people, you are going to meet new people, you are going to meet your family or loved ones. So there is some kind of travel that will be involved in that. So the Aquarius, for the people born under the sign Aquarius, this week is superb and energetic for you. Now we'll go ahead and do Pisces. This is the last sign. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Pisces. People born under the sign of Pisces, there are chances that where your finance is concerned, little bit of up and down in finance will be seen this week. There is a traveling involved where your finance, maybe there is money somewhere stuck or something that you might need to travel to get the solution for that, whatever the financial problem you have. So that kind of travel is needed, but there is a balance in finance or money that you will have to do this week, so that you won't have financial problems in future. So this week is something to take care, maybe invest into a proper scheme or something this week, where later on you will not have any problems where your finance is concerned. But there is a little bit of travel shown where your finance is concerned too, so you will travel related to some finance problems, or means to resolve some financial problems that has come your way. There are chances of robbery, or there are chances of someone stealing something for you, maybe your job, maybe your position, maybe your you can say even money. So you have to be very, very careful about any kind of robbery happening where your work is concerned or where your house is concerned. Someone might steal something from you. Relationship looks normal. I don't see any problems in your relationship. Financial, yes, you have to stable your finance, but it's not that you are going to be negative where your finance is concerned. It is just that you have to balance and save your finance and decide on your finance this week where to invest it, so later on in future you won't have any problem in your financial condition. So relationship looks okay, finance also looks okay. There is nothing like a loss coming your way this week, but you will have to deal with it to be safer in future. Where your career is concerned, be very, very careful about people around you who are not your well-wishers at work, because they might do something behind your back that might cause you problem later on. So that's it for Pisces, and we are done with the reading for the week of 11th October to the 17th of October. Like I always tell you, please go ahead, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am on Insta as well as on Facebook, so please go ahead and like my page there too. All of you, once again, a happy Navratri and happy Dashera. All of you stay positive and stay blessed. Love you all.